Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Beauty Over 50 on a Budget. I'm Joan Johnson. Today I'm going to be talking about ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency skin tightening, as well as LED light therapy. I was on Prednisone for about 2 years, and I developed some issues. I had some back fat right here on my bra line, and I had this huge fat underneath my arms. So I'm going to share how I got rid of that with you today by using ultrasonic cavitation, radiofrequency skin tightening, and LED light therapy. Ultrasonic cavitation uses ultrasound waves to go deep into the skin and disrupt the fat cells. Then your body absorbs the dead fat cells through your lymphatic system. So it's really important that you drink a lot of water so you can flush through these dead cells. Radiofrequency skin tightening is a non-surgical method of tightening your skin. It involves energy waves to heat the deep layer of your skin known as the dermis. The heat stimulates the production of collagen. Collagen is the most common protein in your body, and it creates the framework for your skin and gives your skin its firmness. The most common side effects of ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency treatments are bruising, puffiness, redness, and tenderness. I only experienced some tenderness behind my arm right here. I didn't experience any tenderness in my arms at all. And then the radiofrequency, I didn't get any side effects at all. Then the third treatment is the LED light therapy. I chose to use the green light because it helps with hyperpigmentation. And for some reason I had dark around my underarms right here, and I wanted to lighten that up. So it worked really well with that. I have to say a disclaimer, I'm not a doctor or have any medical or aesthetic experience. I'm just someone who researched my issues and came up with what works for me. So I'm sharing it with you guys. I'm going to show you my machine, and I'm going to show you how I used it. This is the cavitation. Timer down, timer up. We're going to set it for 15 minutes. This is the energy. We're going to set it on 9. Model A. You can do B or A. We're going to do A today. And then start. This is the radio frequency. We're going to set the energy at 9. We're going to leave the mode on A. Timer on 15 minutes. This is the LED light therapy wand. We're going to set the timer for 15 minutes on 9. I just got back from the gym. I like to do my treatments right after I work out because my muscles are nice and warm, and I've been drinking plenty of water so I can flush through the dead cells. I'm going to do 15 minutes on the cavitation, I'm going to do 15 minutes on the radiofrequency, and I'm going to do 5 minutes on the LED light therapy on green. It's really important that you use ultrasound gel when you do cavitation and radiofrequency treatments. This is the ultrasound gel that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to leave a link to this in the description box below. You can also buy this in a larger size, and I'm going to leave that link as well. You can't hear the cavitation until you put it next to your skin with the ultrasound gel, and it makes a loud, high-pitched squeal. I've been really focusing on this area here because of the prednisone. I developed a lot of back fat. Ultrasonic cavitation is really good for getting rid of cellulite. It seems the older that I get, the more cellulite develops on my arms and my legs. Okay, I'm all done with the cavitation portion. So now I'm going to do the radio frequency. I'm putting more ultrasound gel on my arms. I'm going to set the energy at 9, the timer for 15 minutes, and the mode on A. I'm going to use the larger wand for my arms. This is the one that I would use for my arms and my legs and my back. I use the smaller wands for my face and my neck. Okay, I'm done with the radio frequency portion of the treatment. So now I'm going to focus on the LED light therapy on green to help get rid of some hyperpigmentation I have under my arm. So I have it all set. Then you turn it on with these buttons here. So I'm going to leave it on green, but with this wand you can change colors. So you can do all 7 colors in one treatment if you wanted to. But I'm going to focus on the green. You can feel pulsating on this, kind of like shock waves. Okay, I'm all done with my treatments. I did 15 minutes on cavitation on level 9. I did 15 minutes on the radio frequency on level 9, and I did 5 minutes on the LED light therapy on the color green. So now I'm going to clean all of the ultrasound gel off. And because I worked out before I started my treatment, my muscles are really warm. But I want to keep that warmth in my muscles, so I'm going to wrap my arms. You can use one of these. This is a muscle wrap. This will help to keep that area warm. That just gives me an extra advantage in my treatment. You can also use plastic wrap. Everything I used in this video has links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.